In today's video, we talk about NASA's critical decision regarding the Hubble Space Telescope and how it will affect the future of the telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope is a legendary instrument that helps us uncover the secrets of our universe by observing deep space. But over the years, this precious observatory has started to show signs of wear and tear. As you know, spacecraft need constant maintenance and repair, and this is where commercial offers can come in. NASA has recently received some commercial proposals to repower or repair Hubble. However, after careful consideration, these proposals have been rejected by NASA for the time being. So why did NASA take such a decision? Considering Hubble's current condition and potential risks, NASA was concerned that interventions by commercial companies could damage the telescope's delicate structure. It was also considered that such interventions could be costly and time-consuming. Following this decision, NASA developed an alternative strategy to extend Hubble's lifespan and ensure its continued mission. Hubble normally uses 3 gyroscopes to stabilize it, allowing it to focus accurately on its targets. Currently, however, the telescope has been reconfigured to operate on just a single gyroscope. The single gyroscope mode will allow Hubble to consume less energy, and the remaining gyroscopes will last longer. In this mode, there may be some limitations on the telescope's mobility and observing capabilities. But this is a much better solution than having Hubble become completely dysfunctional. This strategic decision by NASA will allow Hubble to explore deep space for several more years. During this time, work will continue on the data the telescope has already collected, and new discoveries will continue to be made. After Hubble, NASA's observing missions will continue with more advanced instruments such as the James Webb Space Telescope. But Hubble will always have a special place in the history of space exploration and will be remembered for the information it gave us about the universe. Dear viewers, what do you think about this strategic decision to extend the life of the Hubble Space Telescope? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. See you in our next video.